Looking for reliable Bfl-s1 fire-rated engineered flooring for the Italian market? Today I'm taking you straight into our factory to show you our complete production workflow. First up is precision cutting. Every single plank is sized with absolute accuracy to ensure perfect installation on site. Then we move to high-pressure pressing, which builds a stable multi-layer structure that prevents warping, even under heavy commercial use. And here's the key step: professional fire retardant treatment. This process is what ensures our flooring strictly meets the EU Bfl-s1 fire performance standard, an absolute must-have for commercial projects across Italy. All our batches come with complete CE Customs documentation, including the declaration of performance and full test reports, making Italy customs clearance smooth and hassle-free. This engineered floor is already widely selected for high-end Italian hotels and boutique accommodations. Its great dimensional stability means it can stand up to heavy daily commercial foot traffic without any issues. If you're sourcing fire-safe engineered flooring for the EU, especially Italy, our CE-certified Bfl-s1 items are ready and waiting for your projects. Drop your message below to get our catalog and quotation. Thanks for watching.